Kaya sige din nagpapa this year.
My wife, us 10 double fuss, we don't fuck up the bag. Say he your man's where there's bread, he don't take you. Lost in the sauce, that's when they fade you. Soon as you leave the house, they tryna gauge you. If it don't break you, it's gonna make you.
Stay down, down, down. Okay, come up, till you come up. Gotta stay down, down.
What do you think?
Yeah, made by the miss.
Maybe this is the one. This is literally the one.
Yo. What it do, baby? What it do, boy? What it do, baby? You alright? You alright? You nice, my nigga? Listen, I overheard you playing some trash ass music, and I was like, man, they need to turn that shit off because we got the hardest artist in Africa right now.
Huh?
I got my tightest nigga in the game right now, nigga.
Tightest nigga
Lil
in the
Pussy
game.
in the building right here. Say what's up, Lil Pussy. My nigga, this is Lil Pussy, my nigga. You know what?
Pussy.
Nigga. I'm gonna need you to turn that shit off. Lil Pussy, get on the mic right now.
Aight. With all due respect, Lil Pussy
Pop 9.
and Small Dicky, whatever you guys go by, this is my studio. And
Hold on. I'm getting a call. Yes. I just got off a call with the owner of the building, aka me. My nigga, we own this shit. Lil Pussy, get in front of the mic right now, my nigga.
Lil Pussy. You don't give a fuck what she's married to. What pedophile shit?
Yo, Lil Pussy,
Yo, Tim me up a little bit.
go get him.
Let me turn me up a little bit.
Man, just fucking start.
Yeah. Shit, I saw my niggas like that.
Shout out to my nigga.
Okay, this is a good start, you know.
16 to the 3. Yeah. Yo, shout out to my nigga Eddie, yo, man. If it wasn't for you.
Go!
Yeah, let's go. Yeah.
Okay,
Let's go. Yeah. It's about to get real right now.
Okay.
Yo, Look, is in the backseat of a taxi. Yeah. You ready? Okay, it's like this. Let's go. Yo, man, can you tip me up a little bit?
Dog,
You already up,
bro.
my
Can you
nigga.
start, dog?
Tip me up a little bit, man.
Okay.
You up, my nigga.
I think this is the highest I can turn you up, bro.
Oh damn, like mom's so gonna be proud about this one. Shout out my nigga Freddy. Free my nigga Wise. Yo. Songs for all the gangsters in the hood. Bless up.
Bro, the song, the beat is finishing,
go.
bro.
We about to revive this beat.
It's a beat
Let's go.
5 minutes later.
Turn you up.
Didn't have to.
Man, it's so funny how life is. One day you're at the bottom, the next day you're at the top.
Tell them!
Damn. All the way from Durban, representing all my Western niggas. 1762.
That's what's up.
You already know. It's like this. Let's go. Turn me up a little bit.
Hey,
Fucking
you already up?
dog, you've been saying let's go. Can we go? We've been.
Yeah.
Go!
Yeah. Shout out to my nigga Pops.
Shout out to my nigga. What the?
Bro, like, come on, dog.
No, he's getting to the good part.
What did we get without you, dog? What's up? And for all you pussy hating ass niggas.
Okay.
So,
Wow.
It's a, oh no, you're not there.
You know what? Let's.
I thought he was gonna jump on there.
Ready for
You know what? Gents, actually,
Yeah.
that was good. Good. So good that I think we should go to the other studio and go record there
Ja, Mensch, yes, man.
and leave this gentleman
Tate
to
yako.
record here.
Yeah,
You
that's
did say you just bought the place, right?
Na Buddha. Ja, man.
I mean, yeah.
Yeah. Meaning there's also money in my bank because you just bought the place. Yes. Pussy.
See, no, guys, I mean, if you want to sign a contract
DK.
for this
Contract.
talent that we've got here.
Why do you need a contract when you've got all of this, man? Wow. We'll just be taking a few of our equipment. Nothing much. You guys are gonna enjoy recording here.
Wait, how are we gonna record?
You
without
guys,
the-
oh, sorry, our mic. Sorry.